Jennifer again, and today I'm going to share with you another fun activity. Today we're going to create our own farm animals using this. Yes, you're right. We're going to use the egg cartons. We're going to recycle this. This activity is based on the book called A Squash and a Squeeze. Have you read that book? If you haven't, please read that book. It's a fun book and you will get to see lots of farm animals. And also, the story is about an old lady who's complaining about her house that is a squash and a squeeze. Aim of this activity is learning about farm animals, and secondly, exploring capacity. Are you ready? Yes, but before that, I'd like to show you what materials are we going to use in this activity. First, we need a recycled or empty egg cartons, child's friendly scissors. But in cutting the egg carton, you need a sharp scissors. It's hard to cut it using your small fingers, so you need mommy's and daddy's help to cut the egg carton. And of course you need your washable paint. I'm using a small one. And of course your paint brushes and some markers and the painter's tape. If you don't have this one at home, you can use just a regular tape, it's fine. And of course you need some paint palettes, your glue stick, and of course some of the colored papers. Okay, yeah, let's start. First, you need to cut your egg carton. So I'm using this. I already cut the others and I already painted some. So now I'm just going to show you that you need 2 of these to make an oval shape. You need to cut it. Cut it very carefully because it gets destroyed quickly. You need to cut it very, very slowly. Just like this one. See? So you can put this together. See, and it creates an oval shape. But this one doesn't look really even. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut some of the uneven parts. Here we go. So let's see if it looks. There you go. Yeah, there's some opening, but it's fine. See? Can you see this one? So what shape is this one? Yes, you're right. Well done. It's an oval shape. I'm going to make a cow. I'm going to make a cow. See? You can use this. It's a flip-flop. So you can open this one and you can hide something inside. Yes. Okay, so but before that, you can use a tape to hold them together. You need your painter's tape or just any other tape, it's fine. So I'm going to cut like this using my scissors. So we're gonna tape it here at the back like that. See? So you can open it, open and close, open and close. All done. Doesn't need to be perfect. Next thing is we're gonna paint it. So what we need black paint. So I'm gonna put it in my palette, in my paint palette. I have already my white paints ready. Okay. So now I need my paintbrush and I'm going to hold it this way and paint it like this. All done. See, it's all done, so it needs to dry. And then after that, you can put your white paint, making dots for the cow. So what is the color of the cow? Yes, the cow is black and white, or white and black. Alright, so now we need this one. We're going to put it aside to dry. And waiting for your egg carton to dry, the one that you painted a while ago, you can start making the eyes, like 2 eyes for the cow, and also 2 horns. Okay, we're going to make 2 circles first. You can make a big one or small one, it's up to you. Just like this one. And you can also put a small dots in the middle. Look, you have 2 eyes, and also for the cow's nose, so we need to draw an oval shape, just like this one. And I'm gonna put 2 small dots for the nose. Look, you see that? And then we need also to draw 2 horns. So what is the shape of the horn? Right, it's triangles. Like this one. Alright. Oh, does the cow has ears? Yes. It got how many ears? Got 2 ears. Well done. Just like this one. Okay, now it's time to cut. All done. I get 2. I got 2 eyes and mouth and a nose, and the cow's ears, and the cow's horns. We can put the white. We're gonna draw the white spots. Remember, the cow has spots. Now, our cow, it got white spots. Now, it's time to put 2 eyes. My cow. Moo. Our cow is ready. So you can make also chicken or ducks or horse. You can make your own pig and make a lot of farm animals with this one. I got some berries here. Let's find out how many berries that does the cow can hold. Moo, I think he's hungry. I think the cow is hungry. I'm going to feed him. Can you count with me? Alright, so let's open. And then, can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you think it's gonna fit more? Let's find out and discover. 11, 12, 13, uh-oh, fell down, 14, 15, 16, 17, oh no, it won't fit, 18, uh-oh, it's falling down. I think it's only, look, it's full, you see? It's very full. It's too small to fit 20 berries. So I only put 15 berries. Yeah, it was so much fun. And also hide some marbles or some small toys inside, and discover how many small toys can it fit. I hope that you had fun doing this activity. If you like this activity, please share your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.